Hello, Zija Nation. I'm Dr. Joshua Plant, Chairman of the Zija Product Advisory Council and also Chief Operating Officer. Today we have a very special guest in Dennis, where we are going to learn about what separates Améo Essential Oils from other companies and what has drawn a leading expert in the aromatherapy industry to Améo Essential Oils. So I'm excited today to introduce Dennis, and we're going to talk about a few of these fundamental questions. What is clinical grade? What is the only essential oil that has been proven to work at the cellular level, and what this means for you? So Dennis, why don't you introduce yourself?
Thank you, Dr. Plant. It's an honor.
Pleasure.
So I'm Dennis Schleicher, and I've actually been studying aromatherapy since 1990. And I never thought of myself as a master blender until somebody said, you're a master blender at what you do, because anybody that can take 60 to 100 compounds, put them together and get a synergistic blend that is harmonious is a master. So what drew me to Améo Essential Oils? Well, I've been offered to join other companies in the past.
Yeah, we won't mention names.
We won't. No, I will not. I will not.
There are no other names.
But I've been offered to join, and I would not put my name on one single company.
Yeah.
And the reason being is because they weren't clinical grade, or as I like to refer to, pharmaceutical grade, because there are no standards for those oils.
Yeah.
And an example is one oil company makes a blend, and they use sweet almond oil in their blend, and it goes rancid after a while. And we don't use that. We use fractionated coconut oil that doesn't expire. So that's one of the reasons why I chose to partner with Améo, and I chose to use this company and put my name and my expertise to be able to spread the word that essential oils have emotional, physical, and aesthetical well-being. So let's keep that very simple, Dr. Plant. When you talk about aesthetical, it's skincare application. When you talk about emotional, it's about I'm feeling stressed or I'm feeling tired. So you can use essential oils to wake up or to fall asleep or to de-stress. And then if you're feeling physical elements, it might be back injury, knee spasm, sore muscles. So that encompasses basically how simplistic essential oils are. And with Améo, we have all the tools in the back office. We have the websites, we have all the videos you have, and it makes it simple.
Wonderful, wonderful. So now here you are as a distributor with Zija International, right?
Yes.
But a distributor, this is kind of interesting because you've also been, you helped with Avita,
yes,
Procter & Gamble,
yes.
Some of these huge companies, right?
Correct.
You were actually a vice president at Procter & Gamble, and now here you are as a distributor for Zija International.
Yes.
Why would you do that, in all honesty? I'm sure a lot of people are asking that.
So today I got to tour our pharmaceutical grade plant where we manufacture our products. And I got to meet your brother, which was really funny. Nice. He's just like you, actually. So, and I see where the difference between pharmaceutical and cosmeceutical grade, there's a completely different, Dr. Plant. Cosmeceutical is the plant with Estee Lauder was basically cosmeceutical. They could get away with less, with more contaminants falling in the products. They could use different, ingredients that aren't set to FDA standards or that have words that are buzzwords. So like the word therapeutic essential oils, when I studied back in the 80s and 90s, therapeutic did not exist. That was a word made up a few years back by another company to give it the appearance that therapeutic was FDA approved. So with Améo, we are clinical grade because you've set the guidelines that actually show.
Absolutely. Exactly. What we've done is we've utilized so many of these published papers and said, you know what, rather than kind of setting a theoretical grade, let's actually kind of create a database, a true standard of what hospitals, scientists, and other doctors have used and those published studies, and we've used those same essential oils, and we've created this database that then gives us this appearance of continuity and something that has been kind of proven amongst the scientific community.
And I love that. I think that's, and because for years I've been looking for books. I mean, I buy a lot of textbooks that are like a couple $100,
it's good meeting a fellow nerd.
Or
bow ties don't lie.
Yeah, bow ties don't lie. We've got that chemistry thing going on. But I mean, these textbooks you don't need to own these as distributors. You don't need to buy the gas chromatography and chemical constituents or the chemistry or medical properties of essential oils. Just follow the simplistic tools that we have in the back office or that Dr. Plant has provided and the videos to learn as you earn is what I like to say in network marketing. is I teach people, you learn while you earn. Let your upline do the work for you. Collect a paycheck and earn, and you learn through duplication. And you also have to become a product of the product if you're going to be in network marketing. So you have to smell good is to feel good. So before I came on today, I took some of your cell support, rubbed it out of my hands, and
Wonderful.
just took it in.
Yeah.
And you know, plants are the life force. So it's on the essential oil is actually like the blood of the plant. So when you break open a plant, it bleeds. It like aloe vera, it bleeds and it heals itself and it regrows. Just like if we cut our fingers, that's exactly what happens. So that's what I think makes the art and the science of aromatherapy and essential oils validated by the medical community.
Yeah, wonderful. And what we are seeing is we are seeing a wave of people that are excited to kind of bring essential oils into their household to help them learn how to detoxify, right? You don't need these crazy chemicals on your countertop to clean it, right? A couple drops of lemon essential oil is just as effective, right? I don't need the overwhelming amount of fake toxic chemicals to kind of detoxify the air, right? I can diffuse a few simple essential oils, bug repellents. This is something crazy. Many of you don't realize this, but a report came out that shows individuals that were exposed to insect repellent as a children have less motor skills, right? The damaging chemicals. But a little bit of lemongrass, lemon essential oil, and a few others work amazingly well.
So Dr. Plant, I don't mean to interrupt, but flying out here, and every time I fly, I would always clean, I would take tea tree or lemon, or now our Pro Shield, and I would clean the table of the thing, and people would say, oh, what are you doing? You know, and I say, I'm cleaning your air. I'm cleaning your air. So how could somebody say no to that when you tell them, I'm cleaning your air, is basically what it is. And every time I stay in a hotel room, I roll up a piece of paper towel and I shove it in the air duct and I put my favorite essential oil or Pro Shield. And the maids love it when they come in because they say, your room always smells so wonderful when I walk in and blah, blah, blah. Even if it's just tea tree or Pro Shield or lemon, it's going to clean your air in which you're staying. And I always take lavender and sprinkle it on the sheets.
Oh, I do the same to help me fall asleep. Wonderful.
Easily.
And so what we see here is the Améo brand has created an immense following amongst not just everyday individuals who are novices in the essential oil space, but also somebody who has formulated for some of the biggest companies in the world. And this is really because people are identifying that the science that we have here, the standard that is established, that which we are utilizing, is in fact differentiated from all the other companies out there. And in companies that have largely kind of repelled people such as yourself, Améo is now attracting.
Exactly. So I'm honored to be an Améo distributor and leader within the company, and I look forward to helping others grow and succeed as well.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
and
you,
will we see you in October?
Of course you will.
Absolutely.
Of course you will.
Absolutely.
You're taking me to your private.
That's right.
We're not allowed to talk about the secret lab.
Absolutely. So we are looking forward to seeing many of you here in Salt Lake City for the October event where we are unveiling numerous new products, ones that have been years in the making that are completely revolutionary, and many of you are probably completely using now but aren't actually satisfied with the results. We are unveiling some of those products for you coming in October.
They're going to love them.
Yes, absolutely. So stay tuned and look forward to seeing you next week on the Natural Health Revolution call. Thank you so much.